Let's talk about the recently launched Infinix smartphone Note 40s with active halo design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 93.80% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.89, along with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4, and with auxiliary lens and quad LED flash. For selfies, it has 32 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.2 and dual LED flash. Video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14. Screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of Android upgrades and up to 36 months of security patches. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate 6nm chipset. Paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.35 by 74.6 by 7.75 mm, and it weighs around 176 grams, and the color options, obsidian black, vintage green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watt fast charging, 20 watt wireless mag charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, dual stereo speakers with sound by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant support, FM radio support. Infinix Note AI features super content creation, super content summarization, AI wallpaper generates, natural language image search support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Note 40s has been priced in Bangladesh for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 26,999 Bangladeshi taka. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 40s smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.